My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. And then boom, fully booked. And then I look over and she has the reserved page. So she successfully took a W on the red off-white dunks. I got one. Oh, I got another one. This is a size 6 US. Managed to sell a Dornbecker Air Force One, a New Balance shoe. Its prices absolutely just shot up. Both me and Joy were able to get signed up for the in-store release on Thursday. We're gonna have to find out what time slot we get tomorrow, but as for you guys are gonna have to find out on the next episode. We have 5 boxes to open, so let's get to it. First up, we have 2 Bred 11 size 9.5 and the size 8. Next, we have a 350 Zebra in the size 9. And then off-white dunks, one in the size 13 and the other in the size 9. Oh shoot. I think this is the best colorway out of the 3. I don't know what it is, it just pops more. And this color combination is just super sick. Anyways, we got our time slots for Supreme. Joy got 12:45 and I got 2 something. The good thing with these time slots is that we are able to fully go for the online release and the in-store release just without any problems at all. So we'll have to see what goes down tomorrow. Supreme is going to do their online release in about 20 minutes. My confidence when it comes to Supreme online drops is absolutely shot. I keep getting payment declined, it seems like they don't accept any of my information, and I don't really have Mech, which is the only bot that consistently cops Supreme every single time. But I'm gonna work with what I got and see if we can get any of them this time. Large too! Oh, let's go! Man, why does this say please wait? Oh my god, dude! I got like 3 of them! Let's go! Dude, Mango held it down! Mango and Cyber. What's good with Velox? Velox is kinda stuck, but that's okay. I got 3 of them!
Now should I even go?
Of course, of course.
BOTTERBOY. That's good, bro.
This video is sponsored by Notify. This premium Discord cut group can help you get started successfully buying and selling hype, profitable sneakers and streetwear. They feature guides, site lists, restock alerts, and an expert support team that can help you with any other questions that you may have. I know a lot of my viewers have been wanting to join this group, but many haven't been able to do so, being that memberships sell out very quickly. But you will have another opportunity on January 18 at 8 PM EST. They will be restocking limited memberships, so if you're interested in joining a group that's considered to be one of the best, now is your chance. On to the video. Am I gonna get payment declined again? An error occurred. What else is new? Oh, dude, I got it! I got it on that computer. There's no traffic lights in this one. What are you talking about? It looks like the Yeezy reflectives came in. Size 12? Okay, not the best size. These better be reflective. Why does it look like it's not reflective? Oh shoot, that's sick. I can't see the reflective stuff on it. I thought it wasn't reflective, but it is reflective. It doesn't really pop out as much as the other reflectives. It's quite subtle. What about the glow in the dark? Let's see. Reflectives are obviously reflective and glow in the dark, which probably makes them one of my favorite Yeezys. I probably wouldn't ever wear these on my feet, but I love the idea of it. Alright, we got some packages to open. We have a black 350 size 8. Speaking of the black 350s, a couple of episodes ago I logged 35 checkouts for these. Now a bunch of them shipped, a whole lot of them shipped. I didn't really get that many cancellations. But when you saw me unboxing those, obviously I did not have 35 in hand. Basically what happened was one of my billing profiles did not log the apartment number for one of the addresses that I had a bunch of these shipped to. It did have it in the billing profile because I double checked everything once I realized this was an issue. When the bot placed the order, for some reason it did not include the apartment number. For most of the shoes that was supposed to go to that address, it was actually sent back. Kind of sucks how I could have had way more in hand, but I didn't because of a bot error of some sort. For the most part, I know exactly when I make the mistake, or when the bot makes the mistake, or when the retailer makes a mistake. It's possible it could have been on the retailer's end, but I'm almost sure it was on the bot's end, which for some reason did not provide the second line of the address, which was very important in order to get the packages delivered. So yeah, that's a bummer. The Supreme jackets came in, so let's open them. We have a large, a medium, and an extra large. My initial plan with these was to quick sell 3 of them and then to hold on to 1 of them. But now I kind of want to change my mind, but I already made plans with CJ. I've realized that basically all the Supreme Nuptses, they all go for over $1,200, and I don't see any reason why these would be any different. I'm kind of having a change of heart as far as what I want to do, but unfortunately I've already made a deal with CJ. Later tonight I'm going to be selling him a size large for $830. I do believe that these items are a hold until it gets over $1,200. Unfortunately, I don't want to flake out on him, and flaking out after you've made a deal with your buyer already just because the prices went up is kind of scummy to do. Of course, I can make more profit just by not dealing with him, but the thing is, it's just bad business at the end of the day. Speaking of North Face, I managed to sell my North Face Brain Dead jacket for $560 on StockX. Payout is going to be less than that after fees and stuff. I'm really surprised because these were sitting on the website. Like, I could have gotten so much more, but the prices now are absolutely amazing.
That one too? Yeah, I needed these, man.
And the top of the bag.
Today I'm going to be going to Flight Club and Stadium Goods to drop off a little bit of everything so I can make a little bit of money and make some room in my house. So So that sums up 2019. It was a great year, and a lot of people might not know this, but my YouTube channel was actually based off of a 2019 New Year's resolution. During the beginning of the year, I told myself I needed to start something big, something that I can develop and something that I can grow over time. So I started my YouTube channel in the beginning of January, and now I'm doing YouTube full time. And doing YouTube full time is a dream job for a lot of people out there who want to make content for a living. I was really just grinding it out, and now here I am. And I do have to update my intro because my intro says that I still have a full-time job, but now my full-time job is creating content for you guys on YouTube. So dreams really do come true. You just have to be disciplined enough to make really big sacrifices and just be on that grind. So we'll see what 2020 has in store for us starting on the next episode.